Hello. So, are you curious to know what is GoHighLevel and what does GoHighLevel do? So, this is Sakina here, your digital gal, and I'm gonna share with you what are the main features GoHighLevel has and how it can help your business grow. So, let's start with. So, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform that helps you manage your business, and you can have everything in one place. And when I say everything, that means you can manage your leads, you can have your email marketing in GoHighLevel, you can create your website. You don't need WordPress or any other website software. You can have your website in GoHighLevel. You can create funnels, create products, you can sell the products with the help of online store or with the help of funnels. So we have everything in GoHighLevel. You can have unlimited domains. You can have your course membership set up in GoHighLevel because it has its own video hosting. So you don't need to have a third party video platform like Vimeo or any other, because Go High Level has everything for you. You can also have calendars. You don't need Calendly for that. You can create your calendars and it's unlimited in the basic plan. So I'm gonna break down some main features of Go High Level. Because Go High Level has many features, I've just added some few here, and the others I'm gonna share in my tutorial in the next series. So let's start with it. So GoHighLevel has a universal inbox. So when I say universal inbox, it means once you integrate your Facebook, Instagram, your LinkedIn, or any other your socials or Google My Business with GoHighLevel, you can use one inbox to receive all the messages and you can reply from there using your Facebook, Insta, email. You can also have your chat widget on the website, and the messages coming from your website will be in that inbox. You can filter that out, which I'm going to show how in the tutorials coming next. Then the second point is GoHighLevel has the CRM pipeline which you can use to track leads stage. So let's say we have a new lead and then we can move the lead to the next stage after they book an appointment, or if they miss the appointment, you know, and after the appointment, if they have purchased a service or a product, we can move the lead to the specific stage. And it helps in tracking which stage and how the sales are going. We have the workflows in Go High Level, just like we have an active campaign or any other uh, email autoresponder. And you can Go High Level has the workflows. You can also connect with Shopify if you have an e-commerce. And even though Go High Level has its own online store feature where you can create online websites, the e-commerce websites. So, with the help of workflow and automations, you can automate your tasks. You can send email campaigns, you can send the nurture sequences, abandoned cart sequences, and the product access, and many more. So, with the help of email campaign, you can send the broadcast email campaigns whenever you are announcing a new product launch, or a special discount. So you can use email campaigns for that. Or maybe you have a new blog and you would like to share that with your leads. You can also do that with the help of email campaign. Then the one more powerful thing we have in Go High Level is the social planner. So with the help of social planner, you can schedule your posts in advance for a month, for 2 months or 15 days. You can schedule your posts across Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google My Business, even though GoHighLevel has the TikTok now. And so what knows what comes next? Because in the future, we are hoping GoHighLevel has YouTube videos. So I'm excited about that. And then we have unlimited product invoicing. You can create unlimited products in GoHighLevel, and you can also create invoices that you can manually use. You can send that out to your customers where they can use the invoice to pay if you don't have a checkout page. So you can also have that. You can create animated websites, funnels, lead generation funnel or webinar funnel, or you can have the audio upsell and downsells in the funnel that you can do in Go High Level. Then we have unlimited domains. We can connect unlimited domains. We can have our own dedicated email domains in our system, so our emails can land in the inbox and doesn't go to spam. So we have calendars where I mentioned earlier that we can create calendars and share the link so people can book appointments with us. We have different types of calendars that we can create: one-on-one, round robin, or a special event or a physical event that we can do. Then we have this powerful feature, creating memberships, where we can host our courses and add quizzes, certifications, because these are the new features that Go High Level is adding. So we have certification now, which is exciting. I would definitely use that and would love to share the feedback. We can have our own private community within Go High Level, and that is quite exciting because you can have your own private community, or where you can also sell your courses to your members in case Facebook or social platform goes down. Even though if they're working, you can definitely have your community just to engage your customers, your members, with each other and how they're interacting with the content. So these are, you can have a look at the tools. If you have any questions, you can add in the comments. And if you would like to try how Go High Level can help you, you can also add in the comments. Just sign up for the 14 days trial if you would like to test out the features, and just send me a message on Instagram or Facebook if you need my help with that. So stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you.